So it's Taffy's birthday. It's time to kart. Let's see if I can kick Taffy's bum. Taffy's pushing me around already. And we're off. Where is the Taffmeister? I'm waiting for her to come around. Here she comes. Ah, bitch. Woohoo! Get in! I've been pitted. I think I've maybe been getting it a bit too carried away. Let's see what he says.
Just looking out for the red line.
Yeah, I missed it. I did see it when we come over the flyover. Alright, thanks, mate. I missed the red light. Right then. Let's have it again. Where's that Taffmeister? I've got to find her. Get him on the corner. Oh, let's go. Nice one, man. Sleep your heart out. Oi. Back markers aplenty, getting taken. Oh, woo! It's happening. Number 3. Trying to get in front of the Taffmeister. Yeah! Can I reverse it up? Go on. Cheers, mate. Thank you. This cart is having a problem carrying my weight around. Yeah, I love it. Woo, yeah, baby. Oh, this is fun. Guys, you got to get down to team sport. There's Taffy. She's spun it out. God, this is fun! I need a go-kart in my life. Forget R1s, just need a go-kart. They're all pitted. It's just a lap by myself. Damn it. Let's have it. I look so impressive by myself. Ooh, that was good. Oh, I like this. Oh yeah, man. Right, so it's round 2.
No bumping.
No bumping, no spinning. Please
Leave
keep
no man behind.
leave.
Well, me.
Yeah, don't
You
leave
left
Taffy
me.
behind.
Because you left me.
I accidentally left Taffy behind. Right, session 2. This time I intend on trying getting it as sideways as possible without losing control.
Helmet check, guys. Lovely. Perfect. Check your numbers. Just double check, triple check, guys. Don't get in the wrong car. I don't want you to get wrong time.
Thank you. Lovely man. Checking my helmet. So the game recommences. It's time to even the score. Taffy. Taff. Good luck. You're going to need it. Good luck. Good luck. She's going to need it. Good luck, mate. Mate. Yeah, mate. Right. I'm following up the rear. This might be interesting. The most interesting part for me is actually getting in it. This is a bit better than my last attempt. Oh, just falling it. So, what my intentions are is to get the tyres down past that wear marker. Yeah, see if I can really scrub these tyres in now. You're dead too. You're nothing to me. Cheers, buddy. Right, let's have it. Let's bloody have it then. Alright, we're off. Okay. Let's be having you. Taffy okay? Taffy's got a problem.
Alright, try and jump up and jump in that front car for me, please. All good?
Yeah, I'll just
Where is she? Where is the Taffmeister? Get in! I've got to find the Taff. Gas on! Gas on, gas off. There she is. There's the Taff. Yellow flag. Oh god, this is exhilarating, guys. Right, I see green. Green for go. There is the Taffmeister. Span it out.
Sorry.
Spin it out, Taffy. Whoa. Cheers, mate. Right, we've got Taffy now. The question is of the day, can I take her? And more so, should I take her because it's her birthday? Oh, that makes it a bit hard on me not to. Plenty of tricks in the old dog yet. Sorry, bud. Green flag, yellow flag even. Oh, it's just so much fun. Go on. Sorry, mate. Come on, mate. Can't catch up Taffy now. Can I get her? Checkered flag. Can I catch the Taffmeister on the checkered? No! Ah! Yeah! Oh, God, God. Oh. Oh. That was good. That was very good. Thank you, Team Sport. Karting in Avonmouth. That was a blast. Thank you, guys.